In an earlier video, I did a fade in, and I just want to do the reverse process and do a fade to black. Again, we're going to be dealing with the opacity effect in Premiere. So I'm just going to select this block, go over to my effect controls window. I'm just going to pick opacity. If it's not exploded already, I'm going to explode that out. And I want to come along here and I want to set a keyframe. So we'll set one here at this point. And then I want to eventually go to black. So I'm going to move to the point where I want to make it black, and I'll put in another keyframe there. So both of those keyframes at the moment are set to 100%. I want to make sure that the last one goes down to 0. So we are going to change from this keyframe here, which is 100, and between this keyframe and the last keyframe, we're going to slide from 100% opacity to 0. And that's the effect that I get. I get a fade to black. So here it comes over these few seconds, and a slow fade. Again, I can move these keyframes around just by clicking and dragging on them, and if I want more options, I can always explode out. If I want to change the gradient between the 100% and the 0%, I can change that there as well. And that's a fade to black in Premiere.